Welcome to the session. In today's session, we'll be discussing few of definite integral questions. The first question is, if f of a plus b minus x is equals to f of x, what is the value of integral a to b x f of x dx? So, we have a property called integral a to b f of x dx is equals to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So if you use this one, what is this integral a to b in place of what is the given thing is I is equal to what you are going to get a plus b minus x and f of a plus b minus x dx. So this value will be equals to, I can replace as f of x. So what is I? I is equal to integral a to b x f of x dx. So when you add up this, 2I is equal to integral a to b f of x is common, a plus b minus x x. So you are going to get a plus b into f of x dx. So the answer will be equals to B is the correct answer for this question. Next question is, if a function f of x satisfies f dash of x is equal to g of x. So what is this integral a to b f of x into f dash of x dx? So if I take f of x as t, what will happen? This will be t and this will be dt. So t square by 2. So this is f of x whole square by 2 of the limit a to b. So which is equal to f of b whole square minus f of a whole square by 2 will be the answer for this question. Moving to the next question, if f of t is the odd function, its integration will be even function. Okay, derivative of even function is odd function, derivative of odd function is even function. Similarly, indefinite integration, definite integration here, very simple. What is this one? Like if I write g of x is equal to integral 0 to x f of t dt, replace t with minus t or x with minus x, you are going to get the thing. Very simple, odd integration will be equal to even. Next question is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. Again the same property, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. If I apply that one, I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square pi by 2 minus x will be equal to cos square x, and this is cos square x plus sin square x dx. So when you add these two things, 2I will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Denominator here and here same, numerator sin square x plus, so you have sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x plus cos square x dx. It is equal to, this value will be 1. So total value is pi by 2. So I value will be equal to pi by 4. But here actually you need not look for this one. This value is 1. But I want to explain this one. I have taken this one. Okay. Next question is, integral f is defined from a r to r, g also defined from r to r 1 1 and real valued function. Then the integral of this one. See, integral minus a to a f of x dx, I can write it as 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx when f of x is even function and otherwise I'll write it as 0, means not otherwise when f of x is odd. So we all knew that f of x plus f of minus x is always even, and g of x minus g of minus x is always odd function. Now odd function into even function is odd function. So minus pi to pi, even function into odd function. So minus pi to pi, odd function, value is equal to 0. The value will be equal to 0. Next question is un is equal to this one. So this is a successive reduction. This is a successive reduction and answer is equal to 1 by n minus 1. So what is this? Un is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. What I will do is tan power n minus 2x into tan square x. I will write it as secant square x minus 1 dx. So when you write this one, this value will be tan power n minus 1x by n minus 1 of the limit 0 to pi by 4 minus un minus 2. So un plus un minus 2 value is always equal to 1 by n minus 1. Okay. Next question is the value of integral 0 to infinity dx by a square plus x square. So what is the thing is integral 0 to infinity dx by a square plus x square. So best thing is x is equal to a tan theta. So dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. So this is x is equal to 0, theta is 0, x is infinity, theta is pi by 2. A secant square theta d theta by, this is a square secant square theta. Secant square theta is cancelled. 1 by a of theta, answer is pi by 2. So the answer is pi by 2a. What is the answer? Pi by 2a. Next question. The value of integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 8x. So even number. So start with 7 by 8. Next 5 by 6. Next 3 by 4. Next 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So look at carefully. Numerator is 105. Okay. Denominator is from here. If I take 2 into 4 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 32. 4 into 3 into 2, 4 factorial. So the answer is equal to A. So sine power 8x or cos power 8x, whatever. So integral 0 to pi by 2. Very simple, n minus 1 by n into keep on writing. If the last number is even, you will be writing pi by 2. The power is even, you write pi by 2. If power is odd, you leave it wherever it is ending. Integral 0 to 2 f of x dx. So I just don't want to go for the integration of this. I will go for the graph. 0 to 2. What? This value is 2. Height is 2. At x is equal to 0, height is 1 only. Yes, height is 1. At x is equal to 0, 1. So this is 1, this is 1. Area is 1 by 2. Half base into height. This is 1, this is 1. So area is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, answer is equal to 1. Or if I want to write, I will write like this. 0 to 1, 1 minus x dx plus 1 to 2, this is x minus 1 dx. Go for simplification of this. Okay. The value of integral. So what I will do is minus pi to pi. So It is minus pi to 0. I will write one case cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx. The next part is 0 to pi cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx. So here x is equal to minus 2. So what will happen? This is pi to 0. This is cos square t because minus pi x is equal to minus cos square t 1 plus a power minus t minus dt. So interchange this one with minus sign. And so what will happen? Integral 0 to pi. This is a power t. Instead of that one, you write a power x. There is no problem. Cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx plus integral 0 to pi cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx. So when you add up this one, this value is becoming integral 0 to pi cos square x dx. So just you find out integral 0 to pi cos square x dx. What is the value? So cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 integral 0 to pi. Okay, so you will be getting the answer as 2 pi as the answer. Okay, you need to simplify this value. Okay, next one is f of x is equal mod x. So they are asking this value. So simply integral minus 1 to 1 mod x dx plus integral 1 to 3 modulus of x minus 2 dx. I am least bothered about particularly solving this model. So instead of this, I will go for the direct diagram. Minus 1 is here, plus 1 is here, 3 is here. Mod x, right? Modulus of x minus 2. This. So this area is 1 by 2. This area is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and it is 1 by 2. For 1 by 2's answer is equal to 2. Definite integrals nothing but of areas only. Next one is integral 0 to pi by 3 cos x plus sin x by root over 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, so in the numerator cos x plus sin x is there. So what I'll do, t is equal to, I will take it as sin x minus cos x. So dt will be equal to cos x plus sin x dx. So when you take integral x is equal 0, t is equal 0, x is equal pi by 3, t is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. Numerator will become dt by root over 1 plus c. T square is equal to 1 minus sin 2x. 1 minus sin 2x. So sin 2x is equal to 1 minus t square. So this is equal to 2 minus t square dt. So just solve this question. Instead of this one, I got the some much better way. What is that? I'll go ahead with the proper trigonometry. Integral 0 to pi by 3. This is cos x plus sin x by 1 plus sin x is under root. It is modulus of cos x plus sin x dx. But in the interval 0 to pi by 3, 0 to pi by 3, sin x plus cos x is positive. So value will be x. So you are going to get the answer as pi by 3 only. Next question is, look at here minus 1 to 1. This is the odd function. This is the even function. This is odd. This is even. So integral minus 1 to 1 odd function dx. So the value is equal to odd value. So the value will be equal to 0. Integral 0 to pi by 2. So whenever x comes, so what I'll do, I is equal to Yeah, can we try of doing by parts method, because here x sin x is there. Okay, so isolate inverse logarithmic algebraic trigonometry. So first function is x into integral of sin x is minus cos x of the limit 0 to pi by 2 minus integral of derivative of x is 1 minus of minus plus cos x dx 0 to pi by 2. If I substitute pi by 2, this value 0. If you substitute 0, this value 0. So you have nothing. Integral cos x is sin x of the limit 0 to pi by 2. So the answer is equal to 1. So what I need to do here, I need to go for the by parts. Now it is another integral 0, sorry, pi by 6 to pi by 3. Maybe you can write root cos x dx by root of cos x plus root sin x. It is equal to integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b. So pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x by root. This is cos x, sin x. Denominator will not change. So you will be getting 2i is equal to integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx. So which is equal to pi by 6. So I is equal to, what is the answer? Pi by 12. Oh, somewhere here option A is missing. This answer is pi by 12 is the right answer. Integral 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, integral 0 to pi this. So what is the method of solving? You can take x is equal to uh, okay, maybe what is this one? Tan x by 2 is equal to t. So x is equal to 2 tan inverse of t. This is one approach. Or you can write it as maybe 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x means cos square x dx. But the thing is 0 to pi is there. We need to rewrite this one. So I can write it as 0 to pi by 2, 2 times of y integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. So this is equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 secant square x minus tan x secant x dx. So straight away you can write this is tan x, this is secant x. From there extending to pi by 2. So what do we write? Theta, and theta tending to pi by 2. We can do that one. Or another approach is taking this point. What is the thing? X is equal to x is sorry tan x by 2 is equal to t, and x is equal to 2 tan inverse of t. So it will be integral 0 to x is equal to 0, t is equal to pi means infinity dx 2 by 1 plus t square dt by 1 plus 2t by 1 plus t square, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity 2 dt by 1 plus t whole square. So from here you'll get the answer. Next one is integral 0 to 1 fractional part of x into step of x plus 1. So it is integral 0 to 1. 0 to 1 fractional part of x is x only. Step of x plus 1 is equal to so 0 to 1 fractional part of x is x only. 0 to 1 step of x plus 1 is 1 dx. So this value will be x square by 2 of the limit 0 to 1. So the answer is equal to 1 by 2. Next question is integral this one. It is equals to, see look at here, 0 to infinity. I will write this one as x square plus 4 minus integral 0 to infinity dx by x square plus 9. So the difference is 1 by 5 is there. So this value will be tan inverse of x by a 1 by 2 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3 tan inverse of x by 3. So this is equal to 1 by 5 into this value will be when you substitute it is pi by 2 pi by 4 minus this is it is pi by 2 so pi by 6 which is equal to LCM is 1 by 5 into here 12 so this is 3 minus 2 pi so the answer is equal to pi by 60. Answer is pi by 60. Okay. Next one is, look at here, a x power 5 odd function, b x cube is odd function, c x is odd function. So all these values goes to 0 each. Now this is k times 2k times integral 0 to 3 dx is equal to 2k into 3. So answer is depending on only on k, no other value. The value of integral 1 to e square this. So what you can do is 1 plus log x is equal to t 1 by x dx will be equal to dt. So it is integral x is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, x is equal to e square, log e square 2, so 3. This is dt x dx by x dt by t square is equal to minus 1 by t of the limit 1 to 3. So it is 1 minus 1 by 3 will be the answer. So answer is equal to 2 by 3. Next question is the value of integral 0 to pi by 2. This value is equal to 0. Why? If I write integral 0 to pi by 2, a plus b, f of a plus b minus x. So this will become cos power 100x minus this is sin power 100x dx. So which is equal to minus a. So therefore I is equal to 0. Next question is integral 0 to pi by 2. So mod x is there. So it will be, I can write it as 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Because 0 to pi by 2 mod x is this one. So this answer is equal to 2. Because integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x value is 1. So the answer is equal to 2, not pi by 4. No chance of getting this one. So 2 into integral sin x is cos x. Okay. Minus cos x 0 to pi by 2. So 2 times of minus 0 minus of plus 1 will be there. 2 is the answer. This is not the answer. Yes. This is the like the function is there like f of x to g of x h of t dt. This function outcome is like let us say f of x. Now what is f dash of x? Derivative of integration. Just to substitute g of x in this one into derivative of this g dash of x minus you substitute this one h of f of x into f dash of x. So where is the answer? The answer is equal to C. Next question is integral 0 to a dx by this one. The value of a is, so integral dx by 4 plus x square 0 to a. So what will happen? This is 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by a. So you are going to get x by 2. Okay. So the value will be equal to 0 to a. So this is tan inverse of a by 2 is equal to, this 2 goes this side, so pi by 4 will come. So a by 2 is equal to 1. So a is equal to, what is the value? Just a minute. So this answer is equals to, a should be equal to 2 but not pi by 4. I think there is some typo error. It should be 2 beta. Okay, so what will happen? Integral 0 to 2 1 by 4 plus x squared dx. Directly what happened? 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 of the limit 0 to 2. So tan inverse 1, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So you'll get pi by 8. What is this value? Again, if you want to go for theoretically, minus 1 to 0 minus x dx plus 0 to 2 x dx. Or if you go for area point of view, this is the value. So this area is 1 by 2 and this is 2 and 2. So answer is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 2 will be the answer for this question. Integral 0 to pi by 2. So what I'll do is sin x is equal to t. So it is integral 0 to x is equal 0, t is 0. X is equal pi by 2, t is equal 1. E power t cos x dx will be equal to dt. So answer will be e power t of 0 to 1. So e minus 1 is the answer. The value of x that satisfies this equation is, what is this one? This is secant inverse of t of the limit root 2 to x is equal to pi by 12. So secant inverse of x minus secant inverse, that is pi by 4, is equal to pi by 12. So secant inverse x is equal, this pi by 2 goes this side. So this is pi by 12 and pi by 2. Answer will be equal to pi by 3. So x is equal to 2 is the answer, because this is integral dt by this one is secant inverse t. An is equal to this value a4 minus a6 by a4. So what is this one? An is this one. An is equal to integral pi by 2 to infinity e power minus x cos power nx dx. So what is a4? Okay, here now a4 minus a6. Let me write a4 minus a6. Integral pi by 2 to infinity e power minus x into. Actually what happened? Cos power 4x minus cos power 6x. So cos power 4x common into sin square x dx. This is the value. Okay. So here what I will do, I need a4 minus a6, means otherwise 1 minus a6 by a4 is also okay. You can write this total value is 1 minus a power 6 by a power 4 also.